Welcome to the first Use Dishwasher. This is a quick start guide for your new dishwasher.
Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
First, locate your model and serial number on the inside of your dishwasher. This is how you'll pull up information on your specific unit. You can refer to your printed copy that comes with the dishwasher, or there are downloadable documents available online. Next, loading the dishwasher. Use silverware basket lids to provide optimal spacing and best cleaning performance. Mix silverware types to keep them separated. Load knives down, forks up, and alternate spoons for best cleaning results. For top and bottom racks, place dishes with their dirty sides facing the center of the dishwasher. Angle dishes downward. Avoid overcrowding. Place items between the tines, not over them. The third rack, which is available with certain models, is used for utensils, extra silverware, and hard-to-find items. Loading rinse aid and detergent dispenser. Rinse aid is dispensed during the final rinse of the cycle to help water run off dishes and the interior of the unit, promoting better drying. This reduces the formation of water droplets that leave behind spots, as well as streaks and white residue. Selecting the cycle and starting your dishwasher. Dishwashing cycles use different temperatures, times, and energy to offer the appropriate clean for your dishes. Deciding on which dishwasher cycle to use depends on what you're washing and how dirty the load is. Use heavy cycle for pots and pans and heavily soiled glasses and dishes. Use normal cycle for your everyday dirty dishes. The Start-Resume light flashing on select models indicates the cycle or startup was interrupted. This can happen if the door is open during the cycle. To restart your dishwasher after interruption, press Start-Resume button to resume the dishwasher. Use Afresh once a month for basic maintenance to clean and protect your dishwasher. It powers away limescale and mineral buildup, descales dishes and glassware, leaving them sparkling, and it's designed to clean inside your machine while your detergent cleans your dishes. Thank you for watching this video. For any questions or service issues, please visit the brand website for service and support.